Those people who want the Igbos to fail, as we dey talk right now, they carry shame for head like say na cloth and cap they wear. My people, you don read o, come hear am. They say that the Canadian government are not a lawless country like the Republic of Nigeria. It's not a country where a court will set somebody free and they still holding the person. No, Canada is not like that. It's a court where the rule of law is still working. A country where rule of law is still functioning. That is Canada for you. So when I know wetin happen now, after some group of people wey don't know their left and right, we manage enter Europe, gather, they talk against the Igbos. One of our sister was moved by that, and he said a word against what they utter, that they're going to buy all Igbo children. The sister replied to them saying go buy them. Oh, be smart, you know. Now Nigeria government, boom, enter, go the right Canadian government. He say they get contact. No be smart, you know. The thing self go affect Nigeria for inside Canada. Most of people now want pull for visa. Most of people want go Canada now. No road for them again, no. But no be waiting carry us come here. Waiting carry us come here today. Now be say this our sister. Where they parade all fake medias for inside Nigeria. The whole Nigerian media are fake. They say they don't arrest this our sister. Our sister don't come outside. Can't talk say nobody arrest am o. Say they only invite am. Him go answer them. Tell them wetin happen. You don't see am. Now the country where the rule of law they work. He not do anything. He after all is a Canadian citizen. So he don't talk wetin talk. Those where they cry, more na go they cry well. For those Igbos where they come outside, proudly they condemn am. I no condemn am for one day, and I will never condemn am. Yes. So because if now something they lead to something, some I will go to platform, you will see some Igbos will sit down condemn her, but no, go straight to the point. Those who started it, those who sit down every day. I'm be hearing some people gathering, talking how they will push Igbos from Lagos, how they will do this, how they will do that. Tomorrow, if somebody provoke and say word, you first condemning your own brother because you want to please somebody, or go to hell. Okay, my people, now this our sister one talk. I want me listen, waiting talk. Just watch the video.
Even the Benin and the Yoruba that we up on at the Oku. And now I am that about the same with Nigeria system.
Has I told her gas? I told her 21 years imprisonment. Everybody. Nigeria. Nigeria.
Now wow, I did house, so I know they come back from shopping. I want just arrange everywhere. Take a shower.
Normally our people, when you talk about invitation to something or something else, some of them started, even it's not them, I don't blame the youth, it's the newspaper is carrying the thing here and there.
Nigerian media is the worst media to trust for truth, evidence and fact. And I don't want to talk about the effect of home video on our people. I've said it time without numbers that a child watching cartoon is more intelligent than adult watching home video in Nigeria. A baby watching cartoon knows that the dog singing in the TV is different from the real dog. He knows that the real dog will bite. But only in Nigeria, adults will watch home video finish and be asking you, are you saying that these things are not real? So you mean that somebody cannot use ritual money to make money? So you mean that somebody cannot disappear and enter back and collect money? Oh, you're going to try it now. Where all day she enter army, whether bullet no go enter her body, woto. That is why you will believe lies. Look at what channels post. Because the media in Nigeria is sending wrong information. They don't make research before they make posts. And if you go to the comment section, people are happy. Hey, yes, the wicked should perish. They should arrest her. And later you be blaming politicians. You be blaming them. I said it, politicians are not to be blamed. Because we perish in this country for lack of knowledge. It's not bad leadership is our problem. We no get sense. You are happy because an Igbo woman. But you are not speaking that they should arrest those who started it. Meanwhile, the woman is chilling on her own, and you people believe this lie and propaganda. This is the same lie they are telling you people, some of you that are saying that you are not Igbo, that I'm preaching against, that Igbo people always want to dominate, Igbo people want to conquer, Igbo people are grabbing land. But in the entire history, no community, nobody can say that the Igbo people has ever invaded their community and take over. All these communities, all these people living around the Igbos in the south should be happy that the Igbo people are not invaders. They are not like the Galas. The Galas have invaded some part of Enugu. The Yorubas that came from Ilefe invaded the Idu and later extend their hand to their Nyoma. Today they are claiming that we are Nyoma are their descendants and they are our ancestors. These are the problem we have. Because if we don't make research, it is not lack of prayer or bad leadership making us perish in this country. It's lack of knowledge. And knowledge means knowing to the edge. And how do you know something to the end? It is you seeking and asking questions. People should not wake up in the morning and tell you something, you believe it, without making proper research, without finding out by yourself. You don't run into assumption and conclusion. Show me one village that Igbo people have conquered. You cannot. Igbo people are not domineering. They don't love monopoly. That is why if Igbo man open a building material shop here, in 2 years time if you come, all this place will be building material, because it's not about monopoly, it's about Igbo ideology. Live and let live. Ugo belu, ewe belu, in case ibe yebe na ngo kwaya. That's Igbo ideology. That we can coexist and be selling the same thing. They not be monopoly. They are not monopolizing situation. Go and check and find out what Igbo ideology believe on. Onyanya na 1 year. If you are going, you drag your brother along. They are very peaceful people, but you people are taking their peace for granted. That is why during the civil war, Igbo have to go back home to defend. Igbo people fighting war is to defend themselves, not because they want to attack you or invade you. They have never invaded anywhere and conquered the place and take over the place and call it their own. But the Gala people have done it. Today they are claiming that those people are their descendants. The Yoruba people who came from Ilefe, today called Benin, has done it. Invaded Idu, invaded down to our Nyoma. Today they are calling us their descendants. Now the same people call you slave. Oh, that is why I'm angry with my Nyoma people who come and be claiming they are descendants of Benin. The same people are calling you slave. Evidence day. Go and ask. That's why I say seek knowledge, ask questions. I'm out of here, Joe.
Yes, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, don't be smart, you know. Say, you don't see them. Well, would they tell una say that these people get mission, but they always fail? Una this ain't a lie. For your information, outside country is not a lawless country like your country, where everything that you can imagine in this life happen. Yes. If two people fight in outside country, everybody will go house that day. Nobody will sleep in police station. Unless it leads to the serious case. And after that serious case, when they investigate everything, who is innocent will be set free without not collecting a dime from them. But your country, everybody is on business. So for those of you who want the downfall of the Igbos, Igbos will never fail. I want you to watch this video that I'm about to play right now. And for you to know that this government of Nigeria is currently running by Tinubu and his family, you know, be me talk am. You know, say here, will they bring video, can show una. So that the day when I go carry on a madness come my side, I go tell you, say, go watch the video, no be me talk am. See the video, may you see what they talk.
If you want to run a transformational government, you start transforming it from your bloody side, from where you are seated. You can't be showing us that we have all the money in the world. You are playing anyhow. You are running the government of yourself and your children and your family, and you expect the Nigerian people to accept that?
But is
because we have not.
Is that the true set of things?
Sean, when was the last time you ever saw that they were swearing in an attorney general and the child of the president is there in the place? Ask who? In what capacity?
Okay, my wonderful people, Shebuna don't hear that. When I don't enter and say I want chance to. As of today, they say that the Nigerian naira, a dollar now is nearly 2,000. Maybe by tomorrow or next, it will be more than that. Everywhere don't cast. Before December, Yeah, may I give you one update oh, may you know now, very very important. If you get money to buy at least, you know wetin you dey consume from now to Christmas, buy surplus and keep down. Buy it surplus and keep down because e go red. My people, abeg o, make una dey share the video as e dey happen. Na so we dey bring and dey give una. For those of you wey say you no be Igbo, na you know I no get anything to tell you, but e dey bear my name, dey eat the same food with me, get the same culture with me. Abeg, e go drop my culture, drop my name, drop anything concerning the Ndi Igbo, and go and answer where you dey claim say you from. Na so e be for my own side. My people, share the video, get why.